Hello everyone, welcome to DevTech Media, the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music, as well as entertainment. I'm your host, David Uchimbi. If you are joining me for the first time, please click subscription button and notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is released to you.
This evening I'm compelled not to just stay mute and stay silent over the allegation that has been leveled over Honorable Gary Nkombo. You may wish to know that I've worked closely with Dr. Kambwili, and most of the people that know me, they know me as the CK's boy, up to when he decided to betray the Zambian people. I want to put it straight this evening that the man that you see in Dr. Kambwili is not the man that represented the Zambian people then. The man, he's trying to survive politically, and you use anything for his political relevance. But I want to remind Dr. CK that the route that he has taken, the route that he wants to take, we all know that. I have so much information if he doesn't know, that even the camp that he's working with, the camp that are surrounding him, they dish out information. They are not just bold enough to face him to say, what you are doing, sir, is wrong to the Zambian people. The man literally has betrayed the Zambian people. He has betrayed his own family, his own extended family. They are disappointed with the action that he, for the sake of his freedom, to pay his freedom, he could go back on political platform and start castigating opposition leader Ichilem and also opposition political players. It's very unfair, and I want to respond what he has now gone ahead to report Honorable Gary Nkombo over a criminal label. The man literally, Honorable, just brought Madam Witness to explain what happened for them to be paraded and start castigating President Ichilema. Literally, that's what they did. Honorable Gary Nkombo only asked the woman to spread the news to the Zambian people. Not that he accused him of abduction. It's the police, it's the law that they will face now. You may wish to know that if you don't know that these three political characters that has been mentioned by Madame, they're actually interconnected relatives of themselves. Major Richard Kachingo is the uncle to Dr. CK, if people don't know. GBM is a very close family friend for Dr. CK. We all know what they're scheming to label Just HH to be a bad person. We know. And what they're doing is for their political survival, for their political relevance, and which is very unfair to the majority of the Zambian people that want to see change in this country. It's very unfair for people like us who spent almost 6 years of believing a man who was just not taking us anywhere else but for his selfish gain. We all know that he was afraid to be jailed. That's why he went back to the PM. Mr. Kambwili up to now has not explained how the money that I reported him to be suspected of money laundering to the DEC, he has not explained to the Zambian people. Today he wants to cover up and wants to cover up like he is a political genuine person. He's not even a political factor. I'm here on the copper belt right now. The man cannot even stand to speak a word and to convert people that they vote for PF that is now parading right now. You may wish to know, we went all around castigating the PF. The same PF he has gone back. Surely, a young person like me, should I follow a kind of a leader? Certainly not. He's more like my own elder brother, but he cannot drag us into that political mess that is dragging us. And I want to warn Dr. Kambwili, please, you are a family man. You went in to negotiate with the PF for the sake of peace. If you really want peace and you don't want our wrath, as youths who know you better than everyone else in this country, who know you better than anyone else in this country, please go to UK and see your wife and rest politically. Because where you are right now, you are actually even in the political ICU. But if you keep on provoking by attacking political players that want to bring change, as individual, even just me, I have more information about you. Even when you want to start parading, I can parade your family. And they tell you how you've been unfair to them. So you cannot go on and start attacking an innocent individual just because Honorable Gary Nkombo just ask that woman to say what they went through. All you need to do is, can you come out and open and say you did not do that? But according to the information that we have, including the information that we are getting in your own home right now, is that the truth of the matter is those people spent the night at your house. Prove to the Zambian people that she never spent the night at house through her, and not reporting innocent people that wants to deliver this country for the better. For once, we need to see integrity as young people in this country, especially in politics. Some of us, we followed you because you spoke for the Zambian people, you spoke for the poor, you spoke and you made us believe that you were ready to die for the Zambian people, not what you are showing us. It's very, very disappointing, very unfortunate that now a man that we looked up to, a man that we hold very high respect, is now gone back to his vomit and start castigating people that stand for the truth. This time around, my warning, and even all the minions, PF, be careful with this man. Let me tell you what he has done. If you don't know, he has remained sponsoring Savoy. I know the sponsoring of Savoy masquerading on all the countries trying to endorse President Lungu. It's not even coming from UPF, it's coming from him. He is now masquerading, creating a parallel structure to come and bring even confusion in the same PF that you are talking about now. So PF, be careful of what you are attracting. For once, let's have clean politics. For once, let's have people the Zambian people. This evening, I went out of my way and I'm ready to face the Zambian people and tell them the truth about this man called Dr. Kambwili. That the Kambwili that I know, the Kambwili that I nearly lost my life in supporting him, is not the man that we see. The Kambwili that made Obed, who was like my elder brother, lose his life over the by-election, this is not the Kambwili that we know. That man has compromised his political career. And right now, as I speak, is in a political ICU and is headed for a political grave to be buried. Sir, I'm your young man. I'm pleading with you. Can you simmer down and go away from this political thing? It doesn't look okay for you. The more you keep on talking, the more you provoke us young people that believed in you. And we have a lot of things in the backyard that we've kept due to respect. Due to respect. All the Akafumba-led faction had respected you. That's why we had to let you go. We know that we knew that you are going to the PF. But this time around, if you want to surely show your muscle that you are still a political heavyweight, as you claim, sir, I'm telling you, I'm the young man that believed in you, and I'm very disappointed. The little respect that you have for me, I have for you. The little respect that I have for you, sir, the little respect that I have for you, can you save your family by just going to the UK and rest? We know all your cases will be first off. We know that your family needs you the most. Leave us fight for this change. We've decided not to compromise. We had all the opportunity to leave you when we were being persecuted by PF. We had all the opportunity to sell you to the PF when they literally squeezed your business. We supported you. With due respect, sir, in these elections, please count yourself out and go and rest and nurse your family as you seek for your own freedom. Thank you.
DevTech Media, the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music, as well as entertainment. I'm your host, David Luchimbi. If you are joining me for the first time, please click subscription button and notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is released to you. DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media.